ride today. I've got a hoodie on, but it's like 4:45ish, 4:50. I don't know. I just looked up the car meets near me, and I found out the one I went to that had like the last one I did, but it had the audio issues. I found out they're having that one again at the same place, so I'm currently on my way there right now. It started at 4 though, so I'm not sure how many people are going to be there, because I'll be an hour, I don't want to say late, but an hour after it started. Sure, buddy. Anyways, I'm gonna head to that car meet. Hopefully there's some cool stuff there. Unfortunately, there's probably going to be a lot of traffic on the way because it's rush hour time. So it might take me a little bit to get there, which is going to suck. Feels like I haven't gone riding in forever, but it's only been, what's today? It's been a little over a week, but that feels like forever. What's awesome is I worked for 8 days straight. They were all pretty nice days, like pretty warm. Then I get 2 days off that are both in the 50s. And to make it even better, the next couple days are supposed to be in the 70s, where I will be at work. So the weather is kind of like taunting me. It's always very nice on my days off, on the days I work. And then on my days off, it's nice and cold. That's number 2 for today. I wish I would have known about this sooner, so I wasn't in such a hurry to get there, but fortunately I did not. I also wouldn't expect it to start at 4. Last time I went to this car meet, I saw a highlighter colored Aston Martin on the way there, and on the way back I saw a green McLaren. So I'm hoping to see something like that again, because I'm recording this time, so it'll be better. But usually, since I'm recording, that's when stuff like that doesn't happen. I'm just going to start calling this intersection up here the Nutcracker. And that's why. Well, we're here. And it looks very disappointing. That's unfortunate. And we got a nice long line to turn left where I have to go. And I missed the green arrow. Just keeps going. I don't know if I'm like too late, if a lot of people just didn't show up today, or maybe I'm a little early. No clue what the issue is. Tesla with the hood popped again, even though there's nothing to show. Looks like there isn't. Nice Camaro, Mustang, Beetle, C8, another Camaro, Caddy, Challenger. Fox body. I was gonna call that an older Mustang. Like, there's not really old ones here. Got some trucks. It's an El Camino, right? Yes. Interesting looking paint. Looks like textured almost, like sparkly kind of. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera. Two Corvettes. I'll do another lap, but this is pretty disappointing. Oh, here comes a nice one. There's a nice newer Mustang that just showed up. That sucks. I was hoping it would be cool for you guys. This is my favorite car here, and it just showed up. Nice Shelby. Oh, he's got a Chihuahua. You ruined it. Oldsmobile. Interesting. Well, I'm gonna wrap this one up here and then record one on the way home, because I don't want this one to be too long. Sorry, this was kind of disappointing. Like I said, I don't know if I'm too early or too late, or it's too cold, but not a lot of people here. And I am by far the youngest one, so I'm just gonna head out and make one on the way home too. Hopefully something cool happens. And hopefully no one else cuts me off, but we'll never know with that. But thank you for watching this one. I'll see you on the way home. Probably. Have a good one.